Oh, wow! It's so giant! And it was a priority to send it to me. Oh, it's so big. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns. It's freaking giants. Any and everything down below. Now then, uh-oh, it's upside down. All right, now it's right side up. This is really cool. So down at Disney World, Disneyland, at Disney, they are, oh, it's blue. Oh, such a cool item. All right, so we have this one, and oh, what else do we have in here? Oh, wow, there's PEZ aplenty in here. So there we go. We just cut out all that unwrapping. Oh, yeah, made it a lot easier. Man, only one lemon candy? What? And only one grape candy, too. But grape PEZ. It's the champion of PEZ. Anyways, so we have this wonderful display. I mean, look, you can take a Disney dispenser and set it down in there. And now is riding the monorail. Look at Pluto. Uh-oh. Pluto's got that look in his eye. Just look at him. Yeah. No going potty in there, Pluto. No, we better get you out of there so you don't make a mess. So they offer these monorails in blue and in red. Luckily here, I got a blue one. They don't have a red. They need a red. And then they offered 8 different dispensers, as you see here with the printing on them, Disney Parks. And where's Woody? There's no Woody. There's 8 total, and there's only 7 here. Ah! So now, to complete my set, I need the red monorail and a Woody. Who can help me? Where is Woody? Where is the red monorail? Tune in next time to another chapter of the PEZ book. So until then, which will be next time?